In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make super photorealistic images using Midjourney. So it's very simple. There's a formula to this. This is the formula. So you want to write a very detailed image of subject. Now you want to put what they are doing. You want to put the time of day here, taken with A. Now this is where you put the type of camera. Go through Wikipedia or Google and find the best cameras, or if you have a specific camera you want, put that there. Now you can have the lens type, so different lenses will give different results. Some will focus your face more and they'll look more zoomed in. Figure out which type of lenses you like. And finally, the type of photographic film, put that there. You can find all of these online. And lastly, the type of lighting. So I have put this in here with this prompt here. I put a very detailed image of a woman sitting on a rock during daytime, taken with a Sony A7 IV using 50mm lens, taken on Revolog 60nm file with natural sunlight. And you can see that here it's created me these images, and you can see that these are absolutely amazing and they are very, very photorealistic. So play around with this, customize all of these different ones here, and you will get some amazing results. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.